Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. I had some big spiel I was going to make and I forgot, but anyways. So started off with the camera, the camera pipes like I said from yesterday. So got this 3-point saddle bended yesterday. It's a little off center, I realize that. So got the offset bent this morning, stuck that in there, and then turned that for a 90 right into the camera box, which will be silver for low voltage, red for fire, and orange for emergency lights. So I got that pipe bent, and then coming out of the side had a spare pipe, so I just used that. That was already pretty much bent, so just drilled a hole right where it was at, just stuck it on the ceiling, put it up to the box, marked it out, drilled it, easy as that, and then just measured off the crack to get that as center as possible, or as straight as possible, turned to 90, and then matched this pipe down here. I think we measured off the pipe or off the crack, I can't remember, but turned out pretty decent. And then just swung, and this is 1 inch by the way, because there's gonna be 2 wires in here. This kind of looks wacky right here. But anyways, we've got a kick, a 90, and then out with the 3/4 to the next camera. So just kind of matched this distance down there. Kind of got a little tighter down there, which is unfortunate. But there is another silver box down there for the camera. And then going to the other side, it's gonna be a long walk. But we are starting on the lights. That's what we just started on at the end of the day, since we finished the cameras. Oh, there's actually 2 more camera pipes. So there's one in this corner over here, and then there is one on my left here in a second, which I will show you. So out of this low voltage box, just a little offset right there onto the ceiling, 3-point saddle over this 1/2 inch, and then another 3-point saddle over that 1/2 inch, and then into this camera box. So put it where the mark was at. They might want us to take it off and match that box up with that box right there. So basically just take like 6 or 8 inches out to match that. So that was another camera. And then going down to the corner, I'll show you that camera in a second. But basically we're setting up to put the anchors in the ceiling here for the lights. So we were marking the first set out just off the pipe. So it's gonna be 6 inches off the center of the box. So that's 5 5/8 to the center right there, and then there's 43 inches apart. And that's gonna be to hang the light off of like an eye bolt, sort of, a drop-in eye bolt, or a eye bolt into the drop-in anchor. So here is the last pipe right here. We got this box offset over the 3-point saddle over the 1/2 inch again, 90 into the camera box right there, and that should do it, y'all. Anyways, I'm going to head home. 30 hours down, 1 more day tomorrow. Oh, I was gonna mention, I forgot to mention it yesterday, but I'm gonna do another question and answer video on Friday because I'm not working, and that'll be easy and fun. So if you guys got any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below. I'll answer them, and that should do it. Something else I wanted to mention, I forgot. Maybe I'll put it if I remember, but yeah, check out the description for anything else. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. See you guys back here tomorrow, and I think that's basically it. So yeah, notification bell for uploads and live streams. I've been doing live streams at night. If you guys want to hang out and be notified, make sure to hit the notification bell, because I usually delete or hide the live streams afterwards. So if you're not there, then you probably won't see it. So make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to hang out with me. It's always a good time. Always good to see you guys, especially Callie, and I'm gonna forget someone, but there's a handful of you guys that I always see and I appreciate it. So yep, that'll do it, and God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See if we got any house updates later, and yeah, yep, that'll do it. All right, guys, see ya. Peace.